Right? Right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do the install of a 110 pump into the new 30 Pro. First thing you need to do is take your lids off, and then you're gonna need to take your pump out, 12 volt pump out, and then you're gonna unscrew the Danco and pull that out. Then you're gonna get a cardboard template. This template goes down over that box right there like that, and that'll give you your hole placement where you need to drill the hole for the new Danco. So we're gonna go ahead and drill that hole now. You're gonna need an angle bit drill with a 1 1/4 inch drill bit. Now you're going to install the new Danco. Then you're going to reinstall your 12 volt Danco and your 12 volt pump. Put your 12 volt pump back on. Now you're going to take your 110 pump, you're going to install it. Now to get it in there, it doesn't want to fit through there with the fitting. So you have to take the fitting off, put it in, and screw your fitting back on. Then you're gonna come and you're gonna put your max air line in. You're gonna come right off this corner. You're gonna feel, you wanna make sure you get below that lip. This is a 5/8 drill bit. Hose back on. And then the last step is to run your cord. You have to drill a new hole to put your new garment on. And for this, you just have to figure out where you want it. I'm gonna put mine next to the max air. I'm gonna put it right over here. Run your cord through. And then you'll glue this with super glue or whatever type of glue you want to use. Like we use super glue. And then I tuck this cord. I take this cord and I tuck it up underneath here on the side. Get it out of the way. And then you have 2 screws that you got to put into the max air to hold it in place. then that's it. You got the 110 installed. You guys don't have an angle drill bit, you'll have to figure out a way to, mark this and figure out how to get a pilot hole in the center and drill it the other way. Otherwise, you about got to have an angle drill to do it. You put your lids back on your filter box, and that's pretty much how you install this 110 on a 30-gallon Pro.